Welcome back to the Born to Wrench channel, everybody. Today we're moving the shop outside and we're gonna be changing the oil on this 2008 4350 with the 5.4 liter Triton engine. Now this is basically gonna be the exact same process across all models that have the Triton engine. All right, here's everything that you're gonna need to do this job. You'll need 7 quarts of 520 motor oil, your oil filter, 16mm socket wrench, and whatever type of oil filter wrench that you prefer. Also, a chicken will be very helpful. All right, let's get this oil out. 16mm drain plug. All right, let's get this oil filter off. And the best thing about the Triton engine is that your drain plug and the oil filter are close enough together that with one bucket you can catch all the oil. You don't have to have 2 separate ones. Let's get this new filter put on. Now it's important to oil up the seal, so what I like to do is open up your new jug of oil, remove the seal, and then just tip over the jug enough that you get the underside of the lid wet. Then you can just take your finger and get some of that clean oil and just lube up the seal a little bit. And that'll just make it easier to remove next time. With that done, go ahead and stick on the new filter. All right, let's go ahead and get this drain plug reinstalled. All right, we've drained the oil, replaced the drain plug, and changed the oil filter. Now we're ready to top off the crankcase. All right, remove the oil cap. Always use a funnel. I have this awesome old school tin funnel that my great grandfather used. They don't make them like that no more. And then we're gonna need 7 quarts of 520 motor oil. That's 5. And here's number 6. And 7. All right, let's take our funnel out of there. Place the cap. And that is how you change the oil on a 5.4 Triton. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. It really makes a difference. Happy wrenching.